Hi, happy Super Bowl Sunday. How are you? I'm out here enjoying my front yard, and I have a huge backyard too, but I'm sort of working on the front yard first because I sort of hang out here a little bit sometimes. So, I wanted to bring you in and say hello, and if you're busy watching the football game, then maybe I'll see you after the game. All right. So what I want to do is I want to put on these cute pink gloves, and they're little gardening gloves. I've had them for a few years. I used to do gardening at my last place. Come here, babe. She wants to go for a walk. Huh. Come here, babe. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come this way. All right, so I have like about 10 weeds over there, and I want to pluck them out, and that's about it, because I want to start putting like a stone flooring, like a stone tiles over there in that patch, that long patch, rectangular long patch, and I want to get rid of these weeds because the cat keeps eating them. Okay, I don't like throwing out the little wood chips, but it's actually grass. So some of it's weed and some of it's grass. So I don't know. She eats that a little bit, but that does not agree with them sometimes also. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pluck those out because I'm tired of looking at them. And they come right out, and the ground's kind of wet because it was raining a lot recently, as you know. Yep, they come right out. One thing really cool about this front yard is it has wood chips, and they smell really good. It's a really fresh scent, even when it rains. Oop, here's one. Okay. There's only like 10 of them. Come here, babe. I'm sure they'll grow back. So she likes to munch out on them a little bit, but okay. You got to get it from the root. You got to get them from the root, otherwise they're going to grow really fast. Yep. Okay. Great. I think I got them all. So you could see that long strip, so it's an empty canvas for an artist's eye. If you guys have any suggestions on what to plant there, then please put it in the comments. I definitely want to plant a few trees. And I'll show you where I'm going to plant those next time. What else here? So did I get all the weeds? I think I did. Yeah, there's one way over yonder. Let me grab it. So they're really stubborn, and you just grab the little root and just pull it out. Hi, sweetie. Oh, you love your home? That's nice. Hey guys, I really can't see your comments, but thanks for hanging out. And you probably want to see the aloe, the lovely aloe. It's got fresh blooms. Oh, there's one. Okay. What you doing? So yeah, if anyone's watching and they want any suggestions on this area right here, then please let me know. I'm thinking about like a stone tile with some plants, and I could. It looks like we didn't connect there for a minute. Okay, I had to sit down because it wasn't connecting. Okay, so I'm gonna get my tape measure and measure that area, and then go to the, probably not today, but go to the nursery or anywhere where you could buy outdoor stone tile and just lay it in there myself. So you remove all the wood chips and then you flatten it all out, and first you measure it so you know how many you need. And I'm going to make it all the way up to here because you don't want it to interfere with the piping. So I'll move all the wood chips and put them around here, and then put that all flat dirt and just lay those tile down and make a little like design in between the tile. Like, I don't know, I haven't figured it out yet, but that'll be a fun spring project. And I'll definitely make a video of that. What you doing, sweetie? Huh? Well, okay. So thanks for joining, and thanks for joining Gardening with Corin, even though I didn't garden anything yet, but I am prepping it and looking for ideas. So I'm going to make something that nobody has, like maybe a patch that doesn't have tile, and then a patch that does, and then a patch that doesn't. Something like that, like little flower beds. So what do you think about that? All right, it's a gorgeous day, and I hope you're enjoying your weekend. And I'm looking forward to your suggestions. Say bye, baby. Hang on. Hi. Huh? Here, I see another weed, guys. That one came right out. It's okay. She's a little afraid of the cars, but... So this is the front yard. We have a whole backyard we gotta do, too. A little more. Yeah, that one came out real easy. Whoop! All right.